Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Before we start our lesson today, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now I will check your attendance. Dian, Aulia, Novi, Ahmad, Erlina, Hima, Bagas, Ayu. Okay, so nobody absent today, right? Okay, now we are going to study about storytelling. First, I will explain to you what is storytelling. Storytelling is the interactive art of using words and action to reveal the elements and images of a story while encouraging the listener's imagination. Jadi singkatnya storytelling ini adalah menceritakan kembali sebuah cerita dengan menggunakan elements dan images of a story while encouraging the listener's imagination. Jadi menggunakan mimik, gerak tubuh, dan intonasi yang tepat. Now I will give the example of storytelling and you can listen carefully. Jadi ibu akan membacakan sebuah storytelling dan kalian bisa mengamati dan mendengarkan dengan hati-hati. Kemudian kalian nanti bisa mempraktekkan ke depan kelas dengan teks yang sudah ibu siapkan di sini. So the story is about the cat and the fox. A cat and a fox were once discussing about hounds. The cat said, "I hate hounds. They are very nasty animals. They hunt and kill us." The fox said, "I hate hounds more than you." The cat asked again, "How do you save yourself from the hounds?" The fox replied, "There are many tricks to get away from the hounds." And the cat asked to the fox, "Can you say what your tricks are?" "They are very simple," said the fox. He added, "I can hide behind thick bushes. I can run along thorny hedges. I can hide burrows. There are many more such tricks." Now it was the turn of the fox to ask the cat about her tricks. The fox asked, "How many tricks do you know?" The cat replied, "I know just one trick." The fox sneered. "Oh, how sad! You know only one trick? What is your trick?" The cat was about to answer, but she found a flock of hounds fast approach. She said, "I'm going to do it now, because the hounds are coming." Saying these words, the cat ran up a nearby tree safe from the hounds. The fox tried all his tricks, but the hounds outbid him. "My one trick is better than all his tricks," said the cat to herself. So, anyone knows what the story about? Yes, Dina? Yes, that's true, that's right. Cerita ini adalah tentang rubah yang menyombongkan segala kecerdikannya, bahwa rubah memiliki 1000 cara dan kucing hanya memiliki 1 cara tetapi berhasil. Jadi maknanya adalah kita tidak boleh menyombongkan sesuatu yang kita punya karena belum tentu sesuatu yang kita punya itu lebih baik dari milik orang lain. Now I will ask 2 of you to come to the front of the class, 1 boy and 1 girl. So, who's won? Erlina? Okay, Erlina and Bagas. Now you can retelling the story that I have prepared to your all of friends. Okay, give applause to Erlina and Bagas. Okay, you just see your friends give the example to you all of reading a storytelling. Now, all of you can retelling the story in front of the class, and this is the story that I have prepared. So now you can read the story. I will give you 10 minutes to read this and practice. So I will give the story for you all. Yeah, this is the same story for you all. Jadi ibu punya teks yang udah ibu persiapkan untuk kalian. Jadi kalian bisa membaca ini, ibu akan memberi waktu 10 menit membaca dan mempraktikkan. Nanti maju ke depan kelas dan mempraktekkan storytelling ke depan teman sekelas kalian. Oke, sekarang ibu bagikan ya ceritanya. Jadi, give applause untuk kalian semua karena telah berani untuk maju mempraktekkan storytelling singkat untuk teman-teman kalian. Nah, semuanya sudah bagus, tapi bisa diperbaiki lagi untuk gestur, mimik muka, dan volume suaranya bisa dikencangkan ya, biar semua teman bisa mendengarkan dengan baik. Okay, so today we study about the storytelling. How? Is it fun? Yeah. So that's all for meeting today. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.